What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'll be showing you how you can remove a hard drive from a Lenovo ThinkPad laptop, specifically the P series. So let's get started. Now first off, just flip your laptop to its back side. And of course you would need to remove the battery so everything is safe. Now, once the battery is removed, you can start with the back panel removal. So for this, I will just rotate the laptop, just like this, and then you have these screws right here. So you would need a screwdriver bit that fits these screws, and each one of these is the same. So let's get started with removing the back panel. Now the thing that you need to keep your mind on when removing the back panel is not to strip the screws. So to avoid this, you will just need to find the perfect bit, and then just press and rotate until the screw is loose. Now, once all the screws are loosened, you have this notch right here, which you can use to lift up the back panel. Just like this. And specifically for P series, I prefer to remove this first part right here and then just pull the second part just like this, just to avoid any minor damage. From there you have your hard drive right here and your NVMe spaces right in this compartment. Now to remove the hard drive, you will need to unplug your hard drive. So you do this by just removing this wire right here or unplugging it, and just to be safe I will use a flathead to do that. Just like so. So I just pried it open gently using a flathead and moving it upwards. And from there you can remove the hard drive by just pulling on this latch right here, but sometimes it's glued, so I will again use a flathead just to gently pry it open from its sides. And there we go. So here is the hard drive removed, and for any future use you can unplug this connector right here if you want to use it on another hard drive. Just like so. And also one part that you would also need to install another hard drive is this part right here. This plastic surrounding the original hard drive, that you can simply just remove like this. So here is your hard drive, and here are all the parts that you would need to install another hard drive. So you can choose between just putting them right here, or you can store them in a safer place. But for the time being, I will leave them right here. From there, once you have your hard drive removed, you can grab your back panel again and just first snap it into place. So again, I do this by first snapping on this part right here, this corner, then just wiggling it a bit until everything snaps on its place gently. Just like so. And now we can just screw the back panel back on. Now just make sure not to tighten these screws too much, because if you try to remove the back panel again, you might strip the screws when doing so. And now lastly, we will just put the battery back in. So guys, that's how you can remove a hard drive from a Lenovo ThinkPad laptop. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.